Hello there, my name is Vivian McKinnon and I cannot wait to be amongst you all at the Biology of Belonging at the Crowne Plaza in Glasgow on the 7th and the 8th of May. Originally from Scotland, for the last 15 years I've been living in Belfast. I am the owner and founder of Hydro Ease, which is Northern Ireland's original dedicated flotation centre, and a trauma therapist. And this is the first time I will have taken to a stage in Scotland since being over here. Both my talk and my workshop are entitled The Magic is Within You, because I truly believe underneath our layers of fear, of pain, of shame, of embarrassment and guilt, and all these different things that we encode through experience, is a truth and an authenticity that once we tap into it, we truly belong from the skin in. Come along and join me, and I look forward to being amongst you all.